Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial how to make third-party shader compatible with Magio. In this tutorial I have created tutorial material which is just HDRP unlit shader, but this could be your own shader that is created by you or someone else. It could read something like your shader slash awesome or something. You can do this for any shader basically which has exposed properties. So also I have a cube here and it says shader compatibility not found because Magio does not support not converted unlit shader out of the box. So nothing happens if I press here. And let's create shader compatibility, and for this the most important things are the name of the main color and the shader name. So we can see the shader name here, HDRP unlit. So let's add that. And this is case sensitive, by the way. And then we want to have the main color animated in this example. So we can select the shader, see that it has a property unlit color. This can be basically anything on third-party shaders, but usually it has something to do with color. And you should just try those color properties out if you do not know what you're doing. So let's add it here. Okay. So the basic thing is done, and let's add it to the compatible shaders. You can delete and add them freely here, and then let's go back to cube. Okay, it says one compatible shader found, and let's press preview material animation, and it already works. So the color will be animated with the effect, and you can of course change the color and stuff like that. So that's the basics. But if you want to do something more, you can see the examples here. For example, the vegetation engine compatibility. So you can add the emissive color here, and you can enable keywords, set textures like fire texture to the shader if it supports it, and you can also reflect the properties like emission intensity and spread center, nullify center. You can also reflect properties like spread radius and stuff like that. So you can actually create very good compatibility if your shader supports the spreading and stuff like that. So you can do your own dissolve shader actually if you want to do it that way. And the best thing is just to look these examples and try these properties out, because every shader is different, so there is no one general rule for every shader. So thank you for watching this tutorial and keep creating, have fun.